the lipstick before the eyeshadow and lashes. You have to do all your eye makeup and everything before you put anything on your lips. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be following Scott Barnes makeup on Tati. If you don't know who Scott Barnes is JLo's makeup artist, and he did Tati's makeup I think sometime last year, and this video has been going on YouTube, so that is what I will be recreating in today's video. Scott Barnes has a really different and interesting technique of applying makeup. He does his highlighter and contour before foundation. Actually, this technique is not that new to me because I also do my highlighter before going in with foundation. So I'm really excited about this makeup look. And also he said his makeup looks are natural, meaning snatched and natural. So guys, in case you see me looking over here, I have my MacBook here and I'll be watching the video on my Mac by my side here. So guys, without any further ado, let's get Snatural. Primer?
For what? I don't really...
for what?
I don't...
Okay, so went in with a concealer. So that is, I'll be using my LA Pro concealer. Oh.
Because she goes, look, it's like a cat paw.
I love that. So I think he used a flat brush that looks like this. I don't have the exact brush used in this video, so I will be making use of this one. And then I think it started doing like something like this, like flicking.
Just gently, watch. I'm going to turn your nose just a little bit so that everybody can see this. And and you can do this on yourself, which is very easy, is I blend it up this way.
Wow. Like seriously guys, I've never ever contoured my nose. I really love the shape of my nose and I don't want to change it for anything. So I've never ever contoured my nose, but I think I'll start doing that now. I know I look crazy right now. I look crazy.
Light's hitting right here, so I'm just taking it down. That's all.
So you do makeup differently per shoot, per lighting, like you really...
Oh, the first thing I do when I walk in?
Look at the lighting.
Okay, now he's going in with a contour. So, he's using a brush that looks like this. This one is from Real Techniques. So, I'm just this. And I'll be doing the exact thing he's doing in this video. So I think I need to take off my earring because Tati has to take off her earrings as well. I know my contour is not as dark as the one he used in the video, but this is what I have. I don't contour my nose, so all this is really new to me. I don't put contour on my nose at all, so I might look really different in this makeup. So it went in with a small brush, something like this. This is a different type of brush from what we used, but something like this, and he overlined our lips. So that is what I'll be doing here. He did this just to make our lips look a little bit fuller. I don't need this, but for the sake of this video, we'll be doing everything Mr. Scott asked us to do. So let's just keep moving.
Ready?
Oh!
We're gonna start.
Now he's putting foundation on her neck. I'm not gonna do any of that because I'm even wearing a white shirt. So we are not doing any of that. Okay, now is going in with a foundation, but sorry, I can't use brush for my foundation. I'll go in with my beauty blender. He's applying his makeup with brushes, but enough. Just hold on the brushes. Enough, please. I have to use my beauty blender. Please, thank you. I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So now he's going in with a liquid blush, but I don't have any liquid blush here, so I'll be using my orange corrector. Okay. So he went off camera to blend her nose, and that is exactly what I'll be doing. We'll be right back, guys. So now he's using a powder for underneath our eyes, the places that he highlighted. So I'll be using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder.
That. I just want to show you 2 strokes.
Ooh.
Yeah.
So now he's using a powder contour, so I'll just go in with my CoverGirl Queen. It's been long I got this bronzer. I'm sure you don't want to see it, it's broken. So that is what I'll be using for my powder contour. So after that, he went in with powder. So I'll just be going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder in NW45 and just put that all over my face. So for the lips, it's using a really neutral color for our lips, a brown pencil. So I'll be using this pencil for my lips as well. So after lining our lips with the lip liner, I went in with a lip gloss. So I'll be going in with this lip gloss as well. For our eyeshadow, we used a kind of dark shade, maybe like dark brown or really dark purple eyeshadow. So that is what I'll be doing. So I went in to do my lashes off camera, and I think we are almost done with this makeup look. So after that, he used highlighter on her, so I'll be using my highlighter. Yes guys, I know you guys be wondering, I have to go change my shirt because I was wearing a white shirt and it got really messy. So just don't do what I did. Don't wear a white shirt to do your makeup. It will get really messy. So that was why I changed my shirt. Yeah, actually I think he's a really professional makeup artist and he knows what he's doing, and that is what has been working for him. So that is okay and good. And I really love the makeup. As you can see, it's a lot. The makeup is a lot, but it looks like I'm not having anything on my face, and that is what he's actually trying to achieve, because he said his makeup looks as natural, like snatched and looking natural. So I think I understand what he's actually trying to do. So, and this is the finished look, guys. Usually I don't do my makeup like this. I wear my eyebrow really bold. I don't do this natural eyebrows. So yeah, and I think the one thing that I'll be sticking to out of this Scott Brown's technique is the highlighter and contour before foundation. It's a really good and nice technique, and I think I'll be sticking with that. Apart from that, like applying your lipstick before eyeshadow, it's a no for me. And this brow, it's a no for me. I like my ombre eyebrow. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe, comment, like, share, and do all those good stuff. Until next time guys, bye.